Assalamu alaikum students. Hopefully you all will be fine. I am your teacher Miss Hina. First of all, I welcome to all of you in grade 8. This is your first lecture of geography which is on oceans and sea. Student, this is your first chapter in your syllabus and third chapter in your book. So open your book, page number 22. But before going to start today's class, I am giving you a short review on some basic geographic terms which you have learned in previous class. Student, all you have seen globe, and on globe there are some horizontal lines which are known as latitude, and there are some vertical lines which are known as longitude. And on globe we have one horizontal line of 0 degree centigrade which divide the earth into two equal parts, north and south pole, and this line is known as equator. Like this is globe, and on globe we have some horizontal lines which are known as latitude, and here we have some vertical lines which are known as longitude. And on globe we have one horizontal line of 0 degree centigrade which divides the earth into two equal parts, north pole and south pole. This line is known as equator which divides the earth into two equal parts. Student, area from equator to north pole is known as northern hemisphere, and the area from equator to south pole known as southern hemisphere. Like this we have continents in the world, and there are 7 continents in the world, in which Asia is the largest one and Australia is the smallest continent of the world. Similarly, we have oceans in the world, and these are 5 in numbers. Clear so far? Okay. In today's class, we will discuss ocean and seas. Student, in simple word, basically ocean is bigger from sea or sea is smaller from ocean. But when we talk about its proper definition, then a large body of water on the surface of earth is called ocean, and a smaller body of water is called sea. Then we have oceans, and there are 5 oceans in the world. Number 1 is Pacific Ocean, number 2 is Atlantic Ocean, number 3 is Indian Ocean, number 4 is Antarctic Ocean, and number 5 is Arctic Ocean. Student, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world and Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean of the world. Okay. Now we will discuss in detail. Number 1 is Pacific Ocean. Pacific name is meaning is peacefulness or calmness. Pacific Ocean, it is the largest ocean of the world, and when we talk about its area is 168 million square kilometer and its depth is 4000 meter. It has this ocean is comprised of deep trenches and volcanoes. Trenches means ditch, khai, khandak. It is called Pacific Ocean is called Ring of Fire because it has many volcanoes in it. Student, Panama Canal link Pacific Ocean with Atlantic Ocean, which is the important. That's why Pacific Ocean is the important trade route of the world. Number 2 is Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean of the world. Its area is 85 million square kilometer and its depth is 3900 meter. Due to volcanoes eruption, it has mid-oceanic ridges, which is the result of eruption of magma. Okay, this ocean is included the active earthquake areas of the world, and it is also the world's most important trade route. Why it is the most important and busiest trade route? Because Atlantic Ocean connect Europe, Asia, Africa, South America, North America continent. That's why it is busiest and important trade route. Okay, on third number we have Indian Ocean. It is the third largest ocean of the world. Its area is 70 million square kilometer and it has same depth like Atlantic Ocean, 3900 meter. If we talk about its stretches, it has its maximum stretch in southern hemisphere, and it also have deep trenches, and in which Java Trench is also present there, and its depth is 7400 meter. And because of Java Trench, it became an important trade route between western and eastern hemisphere, because due to the construction of Suez Canal, which link Red Sea with the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, on fourth number we have Antarctic Ocean. Student, Antarctic Ocean is near to South Pole and Antarctica. That's why it is that's why its area is 22 million square kilometer, and depth is 4000 meter, but it has no specific boundary with the Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean. And if we talk about its characteristics or features of this ocean, so we can say extreme cold weather, water and huge icebergs are the main characteristics of this ocean, because it is near to South Pole and Antarctica. Number fifth is Arctic Ocean. Its area, it is situated around the North Pole, and it has area of 15 million square kilometer and depth of 1200 meters. Shallow water, shallow means surface water, low salinity and frozen surface are the main characteristic of this ocean. Okay student, on your book page number 23, there we have one diagram, and in this diagram we have 7 continents of the world: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica and Australia. Asia is number 1 or largest continent of the world. On number 2 is Africa, number 3 is North America, and number 4th is South America. Number 5th continent is Antarctica, and number 6th one is Europe, and then smallest continent of the world, which is Australia. And in this diagram we have 5 ocean of the world as well. And first one ocean is Pacific Ocean, and it is situated on both sides and it is shaped as triangle. ठीक है? पैसिफिक ओशन. ओके, पैसिफिक ओशन में हमने एक लाइन डिस्कस की थी, पनामा कनाल. अब पनामा कनाल का है, या मैंने आपको मेंशन भी कर रखा है, पनामा कनाल, दिस वन इज़ पनामा कनाल. ठीक है? एंड पनामा कनाल कनेक्ट अटलांटिक ओशन विद पैसिफिक ओशन. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट ट्रेड रूट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. सेकेंड, देन वी डिस्कस Atlantic Ocean, this one, and we discussed that it is the world most important, busiest and busiest trade route. Why it is most important and busiest trade route? Because Atlantic Ocean connect Asia, Europe, Africa, North America and South America continent. That's why it is most important and busiest trade route, and it is denoted as S. ठीक है? Little s. Okay, then we have Indian Ocean. Here we have Indian Ocean. Okay, in Indian Ocean we discuss Java Trench. This is Java Trench. Australia, here we have Australia, 7 continent, large smallest continent, and here because इसके साथ ही बिल्कुल हमारे इंडियन ओशन है. इंडियन ओशन और ऑस्ट्रेलिया कॉन्टिनेंट जो हमारे पास है, इसमें जो है मैंने मेंशन भी किया हुआ है डायग्राम के. यहाँ आपके पास जावा ट्रेंच है जो कि डीप ट्रेंच है, और इस डेप्थ है 7400 मीटर. ठीक है? Then we discuss Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean, it has no distinct or not specific boundary with the Pacific or Atlantic or Indian Ocean, and its extreme cold water and huge icebergs is the main characteristic of this ocean. Then last one ocean is, which is fifth one, is Arctic Ocean, and it is situated into North Pole. ठीक है, it is situated around the North Pole, and its area and depth is 15 million square kilometers. It has an area and it has an average depth of 1200 meter. Okay, clear so far? Okay, finally student, here we have diary. First of all, you have memorized all these concepts which we have discussed in today's lecture, and then you have to mark long question number 1 on your book, which is discuss characteristic of some important oceans. You have to mark for this question answer. You have to open your book page number 22. You have to mark on your book page number 22 to 23, from Pacific Ocean to Indian Ocean. Okay, here we end today class. Student, Allah Hafiz.